I think it's important to recognize that the challenge is beyond just numbers and input output on labor and employees. It's the quality of work and the safety of the work, and the potential for injuries, or the reduction of potential for injuries. So in my experience, in my background, we deployed a robotic palletizing system that reduced labor needs by 75%.
Yeah.
But the 25% that remained was far higher quality of work. I think that's what we're seeing for our customers today, is that they're saying to us and saying, hey, our workers' comp claims are down, our reported injuries are down, our near misses are down, and those are the results for small family-owned businesses that we work with on a day-to-day basis that really matter. These are people that they care about, that they value.
Yeah.
And absolutely. How do we facilitate a better quality of life for them and a better quality of work and output for them?